Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. Conversation, exam preparation. Conversation between teacher and student about exam preparation.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, my examination is round the corner. Can you give me some instructions as to how I should prepare?
Certainly. But at first, get rid of your mobile. That is a major distraction.
Okay, sir.
Read your texts thoroughly, for you must have all the information while you study.
Sir, I have a problem in memorizing.
Instead of learning, try to understand it. Try to concentrate on one major theme at a time until you grasp it well.
Sir, a few of my friends were planning to do group study. Will it be useful?
Yes, definitely. You also must solve old question papers, because those will help you get acquainted with the format of the questions.
Thank you, sir.
If you need anything else, let me know.
Sure, sir.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.